There we go. Next problem, number 24. Again, list. It's all about making the list. What would be the pressure of a gas originally at 760 torr? So they got original and pressure after. So they want us to do something with changing pressure. And then pressure is what they want. And then it says if the temperature is lowered from 35, so that's going to be temperature 1, to 25, temperature 2, 25 degrees C. Remember that everything needs to be in Kelvin. All the temperatures need to be in Kelvin. So we need to add 273 to both of these. This is a very common one. You can just memorize it, 298 Kelvin. And then that one we did in the very previous problem. That's 308 Kelvin. Get your calculator out if you want. And it tells us constant volume. We go look at our things. The constant volume is happening in Gay-Lussac's law. So we have a direct relationship between pressure and temperature, meaning if the pressure goes up, the temperature goes up. So in this case, our temperature is going down, so our pressure will go down a little bit. Not very much. Again, we got a 10 degree Kelvin difference, which again, it's all about the ratio, and the ratio of 308 to 298 or 298 to 308 is a very small number to 1. So not much will change. So let's go ahead and plug in our numbers here, or write down our equation. You get your bonus, you get your partial credit if you have all this stuff written out, because I can see your logic that you need to do. It's what I'm doing in this video, so you can see my logic. Again, we're trying to find pressure 2, so we're going to do the same thing we did last one, is we're going to move that guy up there, and so that's going to give us pressure 2, pressure 1 times temperature 2 all over temperature 1. Pressure 1 is 760 torr, and then temperature 2 is 298 Kelvin, and then 108 Kelvin. Again, our temperature went up a tiny amount, went down a tiny amount, so our pressure should change a very small amount. 760 times 298 divided by 308 gives us, you gotta hit the right buttons, 298 divided by 8, there we go. And that gives us 735. We'll just round it right there. 735 torr. There you go. Write your units on your problems, otherwise you get them wrong. There you go. Gay-Lussac's law.